Hello everyone, let's study the line chart in Python. Line chart is simply a drawing of the markers on the 2D plane and join with the help of straight line segments, as you can see in the diagrams. Let's take some examples to draw the line chart. The examples given with some settings on the line graph. This is the example number 3. Suppose we want to draw a line chart between two moving bodies at different instants of time. This is the syntax to create the line chart. We can use the plot function, and you can see the parameters of the plot function: x sequence, y sequence, line style, line width, marker, color, label, etc. Let us take an example. To draw the plot, we first import the library and then make the data sets. First is x I have taken, second y1, third is y2. First one represent the time intervals, second one is the velocity object 1, and y2 is the velocity object 2. Then we have plotted a line graph between x and y1 and second between x and y2. Then at the last we have to write the plt.show to display the graph on the screen. It is mandatory to write in standard Python show function. Third parameter is line style. You can see line style we have 4 types: solid, dashed, dash dot, and dotted. We can use, by default the line style is solid. If you want to change, you can write line style equal to dashed or whatever you want. Next is marker. Marker means what type of pointers you want in your line graph. These are the list of the pointers which are available in Python. Suppose I am using here in this example marker equal to D. It means D is the diamond marker. Marker size I am using 12 size I am using. Marker face color green. Marker edge color I am using. Edge color is the boundary color. These all are the settings to customize the line chart. Here I am using color equal to blue, color equal to red in the second. It means first line chart will be of blue color and second line chart will be of red color. I am using here with markers diamond. You can see colors list also I have attached. Next example I am using here. Labels I am using here in the graph. For x-axis I am using velocity meter per second, and on y-axis I want to write the label time. For this I am using the function plt.title. This is the title on the graph, velocity time graph. X label I am using velocity meter per second, y label I am using time. See on the bottom screen, you can see the code of the program. Here I am using label equal to line 1, and on the second I am using label equal to line 2. And legend I am also using, because when we draw the multiple charts on the same plot, legend is compulsory so that we can identify which line represent which data series. I am using here xlim function also to define the x limit, ylim for defining y limit. You can see. Now next example I am using here to draw the graph between y equal to 2x plus 1 and y equal to 2x square plus 2. Here x is in the range 1 to 10 I am using. The first line should be green and other should be red. The width of the line should be 3. For range function we can use here numpy module. see the code. X equal to np dot range 1 comma 11 because I want 1 to 10 series. Start stop step, you all know that step is default 1 and stop value is 11. When we use 11, then it stop at 10, 1 less than the given stop value. You all know that this is the rule to create the given range of numbers. Now you can write the code as this: 2x plus 1, 2x square plus 2. Plot function I am using again plt dot plot x comma y1. X is the range 1 to 10, y1 is 2x plus 1 line, y2 is 2x square plus 2. For first line I am using green color, for second I am using red color. Line width I am using 3. Labeling I am doing. Labeling is compulsory for legend. Whatever label you provide here, that will appear on the legend. The red color line represent y equal to 2x square plus 2, and this is all about the plot function. So revise all the methods with parameters.